Black Friday 2024 is here, and Amazon's got the deals you don't want to miss. From tech to home essentials, we've hunted down the top 30 must-haves just for you. Quick flashes of popular items like a sleek laptop, a pair of AirPods, a trendy kitchen gadget, and a cozy blanket, all with sparkling deal tags. Get ready to save big. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was $1,419. 99. Now $1,069.99, set to redefine the flagship smartphone experience, building on the legacy of its predecessors while introducing cutting-edge technology and enhancements. With a sleek and sophisticated design, the S24 Ultra features a premium glass and metal construction that exudes elegance and durability. DeWalt cordless drill was $159, now $99, powerhouse in the realm of power tools, designed to meet the demands of both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its robust construction and ergonomic design, this drill not only promises durability, but also ensures comfort during extended use. GoPro Hero 12 was $399.99, now $299. Black represents the latest evolution in the company's line of high-performance action cameras, building on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing some exciting new features. With its robust design and user-friendly interface, the Hero 12 Black is engineered to withstand the rigors of adventure, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts and content creators alike. Sony A7 III was $1,999. 99. Now $1,498, often hailed as a game-changer in the world of mirrorless cameras, is a versatile powerhouse that caters to both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. With its full-frame 24.2 MP Exmor R CMOS sensor, the A7 III excels in producing stunning images with remarkable detail and dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE was $519. 99. Now $314.19. Remarkable addition to the tablet market, designed to offer a premium experience at a more accessible price point. This tablet strikes a balance between performance and affordability, making it an ideal choice for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Apple MacBook Air 13-inch was $1,099. 00. Now $849. Remarkable blend of elegance and performance, making it a standout choice for students, professionals, and everyday users alike. The sleek design, featuring an ultra-thin profile and lightweight construction, allows for effortless portability, ideal for those who are constantly on the move. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 was $139, now $89, represents a significant leap forward in the world of smartphone gimbals, providing an enhanced experience for content creators and casual users alike. This compact and lightweight stabilizer is designed to help users capture smooth, professional-looking video with minimal effort, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their smartphone videography. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE was $709.99, now $559.99. Fan Edition is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market, building on the success of its predecessors while introducing a host of exciting features. This device is designed with the everyday user in mind, combining flagship-level performance with a more accessible price point. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S24 FE is its impressive display. Beats Studio Buds Plus was $169.95, now $129.99, are an impressive addition to the ever-growing lineup of wireless earbuds, offering a blend of performance, design, and advanced features that cater to music enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. These earbuds come equipped with active noise cancellation, ANC, which effectively blocks out unwanted ambient sounds, allowing users to immerse themselves fully in their favorite tunes. DJI Osmo Action 3 Creator Combo was $249, now $199. Creator Combo is a remarkable entry in the action camera market, designed to cater to both amateur videographers and seasoned content creators alike. This comprehensive package not only includes the camera itself, but also a variety of accessories that enhance its usability and versatility in different shooting scenarios. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 was $2,019.99, now $1,514.99, represents a significant evolution in the foldable smartphone landscape, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from mobile devices. Building on its predecessors, the Z Fold 6 combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and productivity seekers alike. Sony STRDH 190 was $199.99, now $148. Versatile and feature-rich stereo receiver that brings an impressive audio experience to your home entertainment setup. With a power output of 100 watts per channel, it delivers robust sound that can fill any room, making it an excellent choice for music enthusiasts and movie lovers alike. HP Color LaserJet Pro was $449, now $359, is a powerful and versatile printer designed to meet the demands of small to medium-sized businesses, as well as home offices that require high-quality color printing. This printer combines speed and efficiency with vibrant color output, making it an ideal choice for professionals who need to produce marketing materials, reports, and presentations with a professional finish. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X was $299, now $194. Standout processor in AMD's Ryzen 7000 series, designed to cater to gamers and content creators alike. Built on the advanced Zen 4 architecture, this CPU leverages the 5 nanometers manufacturing process, which not only enhances power efficiency but also delivers significant performance improvements over its predecessors. Sony Bravia XR 75-inch was $1,799.99, now $1,298. Television represents a significant advancement in home entertainment technology, merging cutting-edge engineering with stunning visual performance. With its impressive 75-inch screen size, this television is designed to create an immersive viewing experience that rivals the cinema. JBL Live Pro 2 was $149.95, now $74.95, represent a significant advancement in the realm of audio technology and personal listening experiences. Known for their signature sound quality, JBL has taken a step further by incorporating features designed for both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. SanDisk 2 terabytes. Extreme PRO was $149.95, now $249.99. Powerhouse of storage designed for those who demand high-speed performance and reliability. With its massive 2 terabytes capacity, this external SSD is perfect for photographers, videographers, and gamers who require ample space for their data-intensive files. Samsung Galaxy A15 was $199.99, now $169.99. Compelling addition to Samsung's popular A series, designed to offer a balanced blend of performance, features, and affordability. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Galaxy A15 brings several enhancements that make it a standout choice in the mid-range smartphone market. Sony PSLX 310 BT belt drive turntable was $249. 99. Now $178. Remarkable entry into the world of vinyl playback, expertly blending modern technology with traditional sound quality. Designed for both newcomers and seasoned audiophiles, this turntable showcases Sony's commitment to delivering an exceptional listening experience. Garmin Venue SQ2 was $249. 99. Now $149.99. Compelling addition to Garmin's lineup of fitness-focused smartwatches, designed to cater to both casual users and serious athletes alike. With its sleek, lightweight design, the Venue SQ2 is not only stylish but also comfortable for all-day wear, making it an ideal companion for workouts, outdoor adventures, and everyday activities. JBL Boombox 2 was $404.61, now $299.95. Powerhouse of a portable speaker that redefines outdoor audio experiences. With its bold design and robust build quality, this speaker is not just about aesthetics. It's engineered to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, making it an ideal companion for beach parties, picnics, or backyard barbecues. Blink Video Doorbell was $59.99, now $39.99. A remarkable addition to the smart home ecosystem, offering convenience and security in a compact design. With its sleek appearance and user-friendly interface, this video doorbell allows homeowners to monitor their front door from anywhere in the world. Equipped with high-definition video capabilities, the Blink Video Doorbell captures clear footage, ensuring that you won't miss a moment, whether it's a package delivery or a visitor. Sony ZV-1F was $499.99, now $398. Camera designed with content creators in mind, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly controls that cater specifically to vloggers and social media enthusiasts. With its 20.1 MP Exmor RS CMOS sensor and advanced Bionz X image processor, the ZV-1F delivers stunning image quality and impressive low-light performance, ensuring that your videos and photos look their best in a variety of lighting conditions. Garmin VivoActive 5 was $299. 99. Now $199.99. Versatile smartwatch that caters to fitness enthusiasts and casual users alike, offering a robust set of features that enhance both active lifestyles and everyday wear. Building on the success of its predecessors, the VivoActive 5 combines sleek design with advanced technology, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to track their health and fitness metrics without sacrificing style. WD_Black 4 TB SN850X was $379.99, now $269.99. Powerhouse storage solution designed for gamers and creators who demand high performance and reliability. With a generous 4 TB capacity, this NVMe SSD offers ample space for storing extensive game libraries, high-resolution videos, and large creative projects without the need for constant management of disk space. Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 5300 was $109.96, now $59.96. State-of-the-art electric toothbrush designed to elevate your oral hygiene routine to new heights. Featuring advanced sonic technology, this toothbrush delivers up to 62,000 brush strokes per minute, ensuring a thorough and effective clean that surpasses traditional manual brushing. Ring Stick Up Cam Pro was $179, now $89.99. Versatile and innovative security camera that brings a host of features designed to enhance home security without compromising ease of use. This camera can be placed both indoors and outdoors, providing flexibility for users who want to monitor various areas of their property. Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus was $329, now $229. Standout portable Bluetooth speaker that epitomizes powerful sound in a compact design. Engineered for 360-degree audio performance, it ensures that everyone in the room experiences the same rich, immersive sound, regardless of their position. This innovative speaker is equipped with a robust battery that can provide up to 17 hours of continuous playtime, making it a perfect companion for both indoor gatherings and outdoor adventures. Sony SR-SXB13/B was $59.99, now $38. Compact yet powerful portable Bluetooth speaker that embodies the essence of on-the-go audio enjoyment. This speaker is designed to deliver impressive sound quality in a lightweight and durable form factor, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, beach trips, or simply enjoying music at home. Samsonite Freeform, hard side expandable, was $479.98. Now $204.68. Suitcase is designed with the modern traveler in mind, combining sleek aesthetics with functionality. This piece of luggage stands out for its lightweight construction, making it easy to maneuver through airports and crowded terminals. The hard-shell exterior is crafted from durable polycarbonate, providing excellent protection against the rigors of travel, while also being scratch-resistant to keep it looking new even after multiple trips. Samsonite Centric 2 hard side expandable was $449.98. Now $174.18. Suitcase is a remarkable blend of style, durability, and functionality, making it a top contender in the world of travel gear. Designed for the modern traveler, this suitcase boasts a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, available in a variety of colors that cater to personal tastes while ensuring you stand out at baggage claim. Samsonite Omni 2 hard side expandable luggage was $409.98. Now $174.93. Represents a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality for the modern traveler. Designed with the on-the-go individual in mind, this luggage line features a sleek, contemporary design that not only looks good, but also stands up to the rigors of travel.